In this video, I'm going to talk more about Python data type list. So, welcome to Python list with mathematical modeling minds. Python list store list of things and they are similar to arrays. The items of a list are separated by commas and they are enclosed within square brackets. List items can be either numbers or strings. And here I have defined a list which has 6 items named myList, which includes both numbers and strings. Then I have defined a list with all integers using the list method. This will create a list including the first element and excluding the last element of the range specification. Accessing items. You can access the items in a list using the index. Index of a list starts from 0. That means the index of the first element is 0. You can access the elements using square brackets. In my list, 0th index represents 2 and 5th index represents apple. Negative indexing. Negative indexing means beginning from the end. -1 refers to the last item, -2 refers to the second last item, etc. And you can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end. Here, the return value will be a new list with the specified items. When specifying a range of indexes, you can use negative indexing as well. But remember that this will return items from index -2 included and index -1 excluded. Changing items. We have a list of fruits and we want to change the element 2 of that list from apple to pears. And this is how you should do it. And check the new list. Now you have pears as the second element. Adding items. It is possible to add new elements into a list using .append method. So I have defined the list of fruits here. First I have added a string into the list called kiwi, and then I have added a number. And using this method, you can add a new list into the existing one as well. So the resulting list is also presented. Here are some other methods used in list operations. .count is used to count how many times an item is repeated in a list. .remove is used to remove a mentioned item from a list. .reverse will reverse the list. .pop will delete the last item of the list. .clear will delete all elements in a list. .index can be used to find the position of an item. I have given a link below to GitHub to access the Python codes used in this video. Thank you for listening and subscribe to my channel if you like the video.